explanation is about differentiation. Firstly, what is differentiation? It is a mathematical tool which gives us the means of finding the rate of change of something, finding the gradient at any point on a graph, and finding the orientation of turning points on a graph. The main rule behind algebraic differentiation is simple. You simply multiply the coefficient of x by the power of x. Then you take away 1 from the power. So if we let y equals fx, and y equals ax to the power of b, then the differential, which is noted as f dash x, or dy over dx, will be equal to abx to the power of b minus 1. If we look at a simple quadratic function, x squared minus 3x minus 4, dy over dx will be as follows. So for the first term, multiply the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, by the power of x squared, which is 2, leaving us with a coefficient of 2. Then take away 1 from the power, so 2 minus 1, which leaves us with a power of 1, so the first term becomes 2x. Then do the same with the second term. The coefficient is 3, so multiply it by the power of x, which is 1, leaving us with a coefficient of 3. And then take away 1 from the power, leaving us with 0. And anything to the power of 0 just becomes 1. So the second term becomes 3 times 1, which equals 3. Then the last term, which is 4, is just an integer. When differentiated, this just becomes 0, because it can be seen as 4 times x to the power of 0. And if we were to apply the same rule, we would multiply the coefficient by the power, giving us 0, and 4 times 0 just removes the whole term. So our final differential is 2x minus 3. We can now use this differential to find the gradient on this quadratic graph at any point. If we want to find the gradient at the point x equals 3, we'll simply calculate f dash of 3 by plugging in 3 into our differential equation. This gives us 6 minus 3, which is 3. Thank you for listening.